all my life, I haven't seen such devastation. Whole Pakistani post smoke. The Pakistanis opened fire. Every single bunker had been blasted. They had hit us with an air defense gun. I wanted to hit them with something much harder.
Was there ever a time of do or die kind of moment?
I used to go in my pocket with photographs of the top leaders. Within a couple of months, they had killed about 32 top leaders. And there was panic in that area. Utter, total panic. The Americans said the Indian army is an army that truly fights.
Jai Hind. Welcome to this series of Dabur at Pace Desh Ke Lal. Our guest today is Major General Gagandeep Bakshi, a decorated officer known for extraordinary services in some of India's most challenging theatres: Bangladesh Liberation, Kargil, and counter-insurgency operations in Kashmir. We are welcoming Major General G.D. Bakshi on Desh Ke Lal. So, General Bakshi, आपकी लंबी सर्विस में from 97 की वॉर से लेके जम्मू एंड कश्मीर की काउंटर इंसर्जेंसी ऑपरेशंस, आपको कोई पल याद आता है जो दिल को छू जाता है और also actually maybe makes you scared or like you're like, oh my God, how did we go through that? Is there a moment like that? ऐसा कोई पल आपको याद आता है?
Yeah, there is. I had just taken command of my unit in Kaksar in Kargil. So when I took charge, then quite obviously I climbed up that post. I wanted to go around the post. So that inspector accompanied me, senior inspector. And he said, sir, iske aage nahi jate hain. I said, क्या बकवास कर रहा है वो? I mean, what the hell do you mean इसके आगे नहीं जाते हैं? I can still see the post 200 meters ahead. So we are just at top of the crest. So he said, नहीं sir, बहुत fire आता है. I said, you get behind me and tell me which way to go. When we reached the end of the post, there was a छोटा सा हवलदार, Rajesh Singh, 5 feet nothing, from Garhwal, Teri Garhwal. So he saluted me and he says, can I talk to you alone? He says, sir, I want to tell you कि यहाँ भारत की फौज की बहुत बेइज्जती हुई है. He said, sir, they fired for 2 hours. They destroyed every bunker in their post. All of these BSF boys, they got so scared, that they just left the forward slope and this ridge, and they went on the reverse slope and they, ducked for their lives. So the Pakistanis kept firing. I wanted to fire back, so they stopped me. They said, "Tu humko mara dega." The Pakistanis stopped their fire. They came on top of their bunkers and they did bhangra. You understand? What a blood insult, sir. I am from Teri Garhwal. I am from a warrior clan. We can't live it down, sir. You have to avenge it. I said, okay, son, you done your duty. You told me, leave the rest to me. So I called Sher Singh, Subedar Sher Singh, who was aspiring to be the Subedar Major. So I said, go take the best platoon I'm giving you. Go turn that post around. Get it ready to fight. And when you are, tell me, I'll come there. So he went, they rebuilt those bunkers, they reoccupied that Khali forward, ridge. And they worked very hard, repaired all the bunkers, etc. And then what I did was, I asked the brigade commander if I could get an artillery gun. So they had hit us with an air defense gun. I wanted to hit them with something much harder, So we also sent in 2 anti-tank 106 RCLs, and then we sent the 75-24 mountain gun. And my God, in all my life, I haven't seen such devastation as that gun did. The whole Pakistani post smoke went up, and dust and smoke and flowing down like a waterfall of stones. Like that, And the Pakistanis from across 1.5 kilometers, we could hear them in the mountains yelling, Grahi, pagal ho gaye ho, band karo, and all that. And we bashed the living daylights out of them. And for 45 minutes, the bloody fire kept on going. So suddenly my radio operator, he tapped me on my shoulder. I said, yeah. So he said, sir, वो देखो. I said, क्या? से वो सर सफेद झंडा खड़ा कर दिया.
अरे
As an
good.
army daughter, you
Yes,
understand
yes.
Saved Jhanda means what?
White
We've had
flag,
it,
yes.
boy. We've had it.
Yes.
Bhaiya, chhod do.
Why? Yeah.
Why?
Surrender.
We've
Yeah.
given up. That's it. We are
Yeah,
laying down
yeah.
our arms. Please
Hanji.
stop. Please
Hanji.
stop. You'll murder us all. That was the proudest moment of my life.
आपने कश्मीर में सबसे वॉलेटाइल प्लेसेस में ऑपरेशन रक्षक किया, जहां यू स्पोक अबाउट इट इन द फर्स्ट एनेक्डोट आल्सो, बट वाज देयर एवर अ टाइम ऑफ डू और डाई काइंड ऑफ मोमेंट, जहां जिंदगी और मौत के बीच में एक डिसीजन लेना था? इज देयर एनी डिसीजन लाइक दैट यू कैन शेयर विद अस?
Yeah. You see, when I became a brigade commander, I was assigned to 9 Sector Rashtriya Rifles in Kishtwar. That was the worst district in the whole of Jammu and Kashmir from the counter-terrorism perspective. So when I started there, I said, I want the leaders. Leadership kills. So, we started going. I used to go in my pocket, with photographs of the top leaders. So I used to go to a company post to a young company commander, Major Saab, and ask him, who's this guy? He would say, sir, Abu Huraira. How long has he been in your area? Sir, 8 months. Why? When are you giving me his dead body? Iski laash kab de raha hai? So he would scratch his head and say, how much time will you take? Sir, give me 3 months. He said, okay, note kiya jaye, management by objectives. He says, in 3 months, he's going to give me the dead body of Abu Huraira, district commander of Shrangada area. So, this is how I went around. And sure enough, the boys got the message. So they started focusing on the top leadership. And within a couple of months, they had killed about 32 top leaders. And they were panic in that area. Utter, total panic. I said, I'm sending you my top source. He has information on those 3 guys. They reached there. It was in the Tata forest. And in the middle of the forest, there was an open ground. And in the middle of that ground, there was a Gujar hut. They call it Dhok. They surrounded that hut and they launched the attack. And there was no cover. 2 of my boys got hit, and one got shot through the head and he was like that. And another boy shot in the shoulder, and the CO had already lost quite a few men in recent operation. So when the boys were safe, I said, Anil, now you go for it. So again, he launched an attack and again he had one more boy wounded. But there was bloody no cover. So I told him, Anil, why are you attacking? He said, sir, what do you want me to do then? He said, you got a Russian flamethrower, thermobaric weapon, use it, burn that bloody hut down. He said, sir, I'll do it. But if there are any civilians inside, then I'll have hell to pay for murdering civilians. Will you save me then? I said, there's a very easy way to do that. You got loudhailer, yes sir. Use it and announce, हम ये धोख जला रहे हैं. अगर कोई सिविलियन है तो हाथ खड़ा करके बाहर आ जाओ. We are going to count till 10. ठीक है? So they counted till 10, and after 10 what they got was choicest abuses in Punjabi. The Kashmiris don't speak in Punjabi, no. These are bloody Pakistanis, man. These are not locals. These are Pakistanis. Yes, sir. But he still hesitated. It's a great responsibility. It comes on your shoulder that you murdered civilians. Why did you not, etc. So I said, okay, Anil, you understand a bit because your dad was in the Armored Corps. I said, he was on radio set. We were talking on radio. I said, for Tiger, from Tiger. Commanders at all level, Tiger bola jata hai. For Tiger, from Tiger. Use thermobaric flamethrower now. Record message. Comply. Out. And that bloody hut went up in 400 feet high flames. And, pine burns very fast. Within half an hour, there was no hut. That's what our boys did. And the Americans said, the Indian army is an army that truly fights.
आपकी जर्नी में, चाहे वो हाई इंटेंसिटी ऑपरेशंस हो या सोल्जर को गाइड करना, और अब एक थॉट लीडर के रूप में इंस्पायर करना, आप हमेशा किन छोटी फाउंडेशनल हैबिट्स पर वापस आते हैं? क्या आर्मी डिसिप्लिन या आयुर्वेदा से जुड़ी हुई कोई डेली हैबिट्स हैं जो आज भी आपको प्रोटेक्शन और क्लैरिटी देती हैं, चाहे बैटलफील्ड हो या सिविलियन लाइफ?
देखो बेटा, I have been through. I joined the army in 1971 November. So many of my friends died. So that was the 71 war. That's how we started our lives. And then we had, I fought in Punjab, counter-terrorist operation. The one habit that saw me through was meditation, dhyan, a bit of pranayam,
हाँ जी,
steady your nerves, and then meditation.
आप जो मेडिटेशन करते हैं, डू यू इज इट लाइक अ ब्रेथ वर्क और डू यू से अ मंत्रा, कैसे करते हैं?
You see, there are many ways of meditation. There are 112 to be very specific. In the Kulnar Nav Bhairav Tantra says 112 ways of meditation. My way of meditation is to focus on a bioresonator of your breathing.
ओके,
You know, it is a Buddhist system of meditation. Also in, in Vedantic meditation, you focus on your breathing. You focus on your breathing.
okay. Thank you so much, sir, for today. Thank you for giving us your time and telling us the stories. Veterans like you reflect the same boldness, trust by Indians, and protection that Dabur Red Paste has stood for generations. Thank you and Jai Hind.